Hey everyone, welcome back to Dollar Labs tutorials. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at analytics and what each metric means, right? So first of all, let's come to the default analytics. It's very straightforward. You have logs here, right? So logs basically tell you exactly when what customer has made what purchase, right? And because of that purchase, how much store credit was actually given to that customer, right? So it logs everything in this case. The next section is scheduled rewards. Scheduled rewards actually only come into picture if you have the setting to delay the cashback enabled. So if you don't have this enabled, this won't come into picture. The scheduled rewards don't come into picture. Now there are a few states here. One is all, which means all of the logs will be shown here. Right now there are none because I don't have any scheduled rewards at this point. Then there is completed, pending, denied, and failed. So completed is when the reward is actually credited to the customer. Pending is when it's in this intermediary state where it's not yet time for it to be credited to the customer. Denied is when let's say a customer makes a refund, or if there's a refund on the order that the customer has placed and the reward is still pending to be given, it'll go into denied. And if not, at the end, if none of these cases are true and if something happens or something is wrong, it'll go into failed. So that's a little bit more in depth into scheduled rewards as well as logs. Now the three main important metrics that we cover are on top. Right now they're showing up empty because I'm running it on a test store. But the idea here is that you have a list of basically all of the credit that you have given to the customers. They will show up here as total cashback credited, total cashback redeemed, and then how many transactions were done in total. So these are the key three metrics that we track. So a very common metric is a derived metric, which is basically total cashback credited by the debit. So let's say you have credited your customers totally with around $1,000, and let's say 500 of them was used, right? So this is basically a 50% usage rate, right? So credit by reward is basically a very important metric. So it will be something like 500 divided by 1,000, that's 50% usage. So this is something that's extremely crucial when you're running a loyalty program, to know how much your customers are actually using your store credit. And these metrics really provide a good lens into how these things work and how you can calculate them over time as well. Now the next section comes in referral. There's one more analytics section that we provide, which is the referral analytics. Now this is basically a list of things, right? First part is coming to the logs again, right? This basically shows you when each customer makes an order using the referrals discount code, it gets logged here, and how much the referral credit was, the discount, how much was given, everything gets logged here in this log section. And the next part is basically the analytics. First is the revenue. So this, you can select a date range and see that, hey, customers have placed this many orders, or this much revenue has been coming through a discount code, which is a referral discount code, right? And this basically is a count of orders. And next part is how many new affiliates or new people have joined in through a referral program, right? That's this one. AOV of all the orders are averaged and given here. Commissions is what has been paid out to the customers as store credit, as kickback. So in this case, there's only one here, which is $36, and that's why it's showing up here, $36. So this basically gives you a very deep insight into how your program is actually working, and we're planning to expand our analytics more deeper as well. So keen to hear your feedback on what exactly you would want to see on the product, right? What kind of analytics you would want to see, and how you want to basically know these numbers, right? So providing some basic numbers at this moment, but eventually we would want to have more advanced analytics, and we have some in plan. But keen to hear your feedback, and please do feel free to share in comments, or we have a public roadmap available here on suggest feature, right? You can go in there and add your own feedback there, and we do definitely look at it every day. So that's something very crucial for us. Yeah, feel free to give us a like or subscribe, and if you really like this kind of content, we are we're producing a lot more of this now. Yeah, see you. Bye bye.